Welcome everyone to my Cardano price prediction for May 2024. Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading, talking about it down to the earth based on what we see from the data standpoint, putting out together numbers that are not really satisfying in terms of Cardano. When there is a bit of a selling pressure going on, Cardano is actually accelerating towards that direction. In the past couple of weeks, it has been dominating on that topic. Yet we don't see any form of strong rebounding or anything driven by news or milestones achieved. It's quite weird on Cardano's side that it has slowed down so much in this current situation of the market. Yet, of course, usually such situation is appearing before strong movements are appearing. And the strong movements are going to force a liquidity movement that will pretty much trigger more and more liquidations on the short side. It's quite interesting. When the markets are bearish, they used to overextend in that direction, just like when the markets are bullish, they used to overextend into that direction. Liquidating more and more people, at the same time trapping people out of the category that is riding the movement. That is the best version of handling the things. So before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, including for those of you that are interested, I have my ChatGPT bot trading journal. You can participate and join me on board. We have completely done for you without any prior fees trading through API trading permission, including the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious about a crypto world and would like to dive into professional. I'll talk about these two things at the end of the video. Now it's the moment for Cardano's discussion on 4-hour candlesticks. Well, this is where we are, guys. Obviously, we're dealing right now with the popular and extreme zone of demand, a very, very powerful level. But the same thing has to be considered at a level that we have been rejected so many times by, the level of 48 cents. This 48 cents level right now is the temporary top, the top that has been able to trigger a few rejections down the road, especially after you broke out of the downtrending environment, retested that, and successfully confirmed the breakout. The thing is, you broke out of a line that has been going downwards. So right now, if the markets are still going downwards, you're not going to break back into the environment, which is obviously pretty much impossible unless the market is having a very strong crash. Then you get back into the environment. Yet we are expecting basically the zone to react again. So we are testing again the same picture. The zone we're dealing with right now, starting from 45 cents down to 42 cents, even as low as 40 cents, considering the wick that we have into that point, is a place of reaction representing 10% volatility and range for Cardano. The reactions that we had so far in the last month from this zone were significant, especially when we did react it for the first time. We printed 21% in 5 days. That is significant for 5 days representation. The second time we broke out, and now the third time we're looking forward breaking out of the 48 cents level. Not a big deal, not a difficult target to be realized, but at the same time, we shouldn't stop there. Rise to the 50 cents is no big deal. 52 cents with the top that we have on the trending line is where the big deal sits again. As soon as you successfully confirm that and you're climbing yourself above the 200 days moving average, you're going to speak about a whole different topic. You're going to speak about a whole different path on the great journey. So in order to achieve that, you gotta get out of 48, get into 52. You can even retrace back to the 200 days moving average, which will come like this. Find support in that and bounce towards 58 cents, where there is the first major supply zone that will definitely act with selling pressure. First major supply zone acting with selling pressure. Again, you break above, retest that, and then push into the 67 cents. That's where the ultimate level of golden pocket appears, which will act as a resistance as well. So these are the two things we got to keep in mind. The 57.58 supply, which is a major target for May 2024, and that's located within the first encircled area. And then the second target would be on the 66 cents golden pocket. There is a lot to go until that level, and without strong 4-hour candlesticks, you're not going to achieve that. What does it mean, a strong 4-hour candlesticks? Well, you need candlesticks that are crossing basically 6-7%. Right, so you need a candle pushing us into the 48, you need a candle that is pushing you into the 51, you need such candlesticks that are delivering 6-7-8% movements in 4 hours. Attention please. That will allow you to achieve the 58 cents, which is a target of 30%, guys. I mean, it's not a small deal when the markets are not really having that much of a energy at the moment, especially the altcoins. They lack that energy that is needed. So 58 cents right there at 30%, and the other target is basically situated on 47 up to 50%. These are the two targets we focus for May. As soon as we advance, as soon as BTC will advance, we're looking forward finding the technicals step by step. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep yourself updated. In the meantime, I'd like to present you and share with you more details on the completely done for you trading with our ChatGPT bot, including the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious and would like to go down the road of financial freedom. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time, but the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high, and that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.